Good day, Centralinos. We have our word for today. So our word for today is plagiarism. 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 It's a noun, and it means the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as one's own. For example, there were accusations of plagiarism. So that's our word for today, plagiarism. Now, I have a question for you, Centralinos. What would you feel if someone stole your assignment, your artwork, or your underwear? Maybe not your underwear. Maybe you'll feel sad. Or maybe you'll feel angry, which is fine, I guess. Your work got stolen, right? Now imagine a researcher. Imagine their work, they're working for long periods of hours, long, draining hours. And you're going to steal their work. How would they feel? Well, multiply what you feel by 9,000 and you get the idea. So for now, we're going to discuss a very important topic in EAP. And it's called How to Get Away with Plagiarism. No, we don't do that here. I'm kidding. So welcome for today's EAP Made Easy with Sir David. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is a serious offense on the academe. It's the action or practice of taking someone else's work, idea, and etc. and passing it off as one's own. It's literally a theft. It's a literary theft. Examples of plagiarism are buying an essay or hiring someone else to write a paper for you and submitting it as your own, turning in a paper downloaded from an online source, not citing sources, using a study guide such as Scrib to summarize a text, copying a significant passage verbatim and not revealing the source, and citing sources you did not use. A friendly reminder to all, every information on the internet is owned by someone else. Don't forget that. Plagiarism is cheating. Plagiarizing is being lazy. It's a no-no. And plagiarism is a crime. So, are they useless now? Google, Facebook, Yahoo? Of course not. They're still useful. However, be reminded that simply citing sources is not enough to avoid plagiarism. Which brings us to our topic for today, avoiding plagiarism by paraphrasing. Now, what are note-taking techniques? Note-taking techniques allow you to rephrase an original text into your own. Why are they important? Because students can retain and apply information without even reviewing notes because of the active learning process. That's by Muller, 2019. And you can paraphrase an idea that you don't fully understand. Failure. In fact, paraphrasing is under understanding, which is a little higher than memorizing. There are 3 types of note-taking techniques. They are summarizing, paraphrasing, and direct quoting. However, today we will focus on paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is a statement in your own words of the main idea and supporting details of a text. It includes citation. What's the difference between paraphrasing and summarizing? Paraphrasing may be similar in length to the original text, while summarizing must be shorter than the original text. However, you can use your skills in paraphrasing and summarizing a text. Remember, both must include citation. One does not simply use someone else's work without citing.
Guidelines in paraphrasing. Read the text and understand its meaning. Use a pen to underline or highlight the keywords or main idea of a text. Recall the keywords or main ideas of the text that you highlighted. Write in your own words what you understood about the ideas in the text. Get the original text and compare it with your paraphrase. Check the meaning. Check the sentence structure. Refrain from adding comments about the text. Compare your output to the original text. Record the details of the original source. Format your paraphrase properly.
categories in paraphrasing. We have literal paraphrasing, structural paraphrasing, and alternative paraphrasing. Literal paraphrasing replaces vocabulary terms from original text. For example, the original text says personal profits can serve as an inspiration to business to better serve their customers. And the paraphrase text says personal profits can serve as a motivation to business to better serve their consumers. As you can see, we replaced some words here. From inspiration, we change it into motivation. And from customers, we change it into consumers. Next, we have structural paraphrasing. For structural paraphrasing, we change the sentence structure. For example, the original text says, giraffes like acacia leaves and hay, and they can consume 75 pounds of food a day. And the paraphrase version is, a giraffe can eat up to 75 pounds of acacia leaves and hay daily. As you notice, the original text is a compound sentence. The first clause is giraffes like acacia leaves and hay. And the second clause is they can consume 75 pounds of food a day. And in the paraphrase version, it's now a simple sentence. We've combined the different ideas there. We didn't use pronouns. We removed the they, and we only retained the important informations like giraffes, acacia leaves and hay, and can consume 75 pounds of food a day. Lastly, we have alternative paraphrasing. Alternative paraphrasing, here's where we pose questions about the text and answers the questions using his or her words after reading the text, making sure that all ideas are connected. For example, the original text says, meditation pervades the entire body like the flow of mercury. You feel the energy rising upward or sometimes going downward. You have to keep up with your practice. Then, whatever work you are doing, meditation permeates. Next, ask questions. To what is meditation likened? Why? It's likened to flow of mercury, meditation. How does meditation work in one's body? It pushes up or down. How can meditation be integrated into one's system? By constant practice, it becomes a natural part of the system. And then combine those answers and then create a new paragraph. When one meditates, one experiences an energy flow like that of mercury, pushing up or down one's energy level and affecting the whole body. Through constant practice, meditation becomes a natural part of one's system. Last but not the least, do not forget to use reporting verbs. Reporting verbs is a word used to discuss another person's writings or assertions. Highland lists a frequency of reporting verbs used according to this discipline. So you can check out this chart here. And that's it for today. Congratulations! You have paraphrasing mastered. Nice! However, you need to remember that practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for being with me today. Bye!